What was that? Oh, really? Is that your elephant?
My elephant talks to me. Let's shake.
Oh. Does that elephant talk to you? So you're talking to him? I like that. Oh, that's your elephant.
That's your
Yeah.
elephant.
Yeah.
There's your elephant.
Are those good fingers? Yeah. Yeah? Do you want to come to H-E-B with Mommy and Penelope? You do? We might see Halloween things there. There's a very spooky pumpkin man there. Did you see the water today? And was it pretty?
It was wet.
He didn't get to feel it though.
It was wet. That water.
Okay, I love you. Bye-bye, Gideon. Say bye-bye. He's like, what are you talking about, Mommy? You're right there.